Is your computer showing the frustrating USB device not recognized error? This video has you covered for multiple Windows version. We will walk you through easy troubleshooting steps to fix this common issue and get your USB devices working seamlessly. Don't let USB trouble slow you down. Watch now to resolve the problem. If you encounter a USB device not recognized error in Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7, you can try the following steps to resolve it. Step 1. Unplug the USB device and plug it into a different USB port on your computer. Step 2. Try the USB device on another computer to determine if the issue is with the device itself. Step 3. Restart your computer, which can sometimes resolve USB recognition issues. Step 4. Update your USB drivers through the device manager. Step 5. If the problem persists, consider checking for Windows updates and installing any pending updates. Step 6. Uninstall and then reinstall the USB device's drivers through the device manager. Step 7. If none of these solutions work, it's possible there's a hardware issue with the USB port or the device, and you may need to seek professional assistance or replacement.